Hey guys, FixAlex here. This is my headlights from 2018 Can-Am Outlander 850. I got big problems, annoying problems with moisture inside my headlights. As you can see on low beam headlights, I put some silicone in the breather hose because I thought it's gonna help me. I read some of the forums that might be some leakage through the seals or through that breather hose. So what I did, I silicone completely the headlights because I thought it's gonna help me, but no guys. You see those two shitty light bulbs, $15 from eBay? What I did, guys, I fill up my headlights with water. Look. This is not waterproof light bulbs at all. So guys, before you remove your headlights and silicone them, check your light bulbs and seals, because most of the time water goes through that seals. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe please and join to my channel. See you.